I'm MD Junaid Jahin.
I'm Ahmed Abdul Hafiz.
So this is our presentation about Python, so which is library management system, and it is divided into two parts. One is librarian and one is member. I'm doing the members part.
I am doing the Liberian part. This we divided the file text to five file text. First, user text, book text, file text, reviews text, history of user text. User text is divided to one Liberian and second the member.
So over here, this is the file path which consists of five text files. So this linked up. Second, then we have load data from a text file. So what is load data from a text file? So this function reads data from a specified text file and loads it into a list of dictionaries. Here how it is work. Read the first line to get the headers column. For each subsequent line splits values by commas. So over here we have load data from a text file. So in one of the text file we go there. So over there these are the data that the user already inputted. So each of the data are separated by the commas. So when we put the data, for example, when you go to login and then it checks whether the file exists or not, and then reads the first line to get the reader headers column names. For each subsequent line, it splits values by commas, associates with each value with a header, creates a dictionary for each record, appends each record dictionary to the data list, which is then returned. This setup let us work with the data in memory as they can make it easier to manipulate. So going back to the code over here, the header file, the values and the record. So the data that we input in this code will get saved on these files. So next we have save data to text file.
Save data, it is work like write the list write a list of direction to a specific text file. Write headers to the file and for each direction in the data it write line with a value in a specific order is field name like this, like save the data like save the order like hidden line headline and convert any missing field to empty string to handle direction with missing data like this. We have here ff278 like missing email and contact in enough like this. Now we need to record run the code.
So over here, this is the menu. So it consists of login, register as a librarian, and exit. So we got three options. So right now we are going to register as a librarian, and the librarian can register.
Sir,
When we register as a librarian, the librarian can register another librarian. Also, the librarian can register a member too. So
yes,
now we are going to register as a librarian.
as librarian. Two,
So we enter the choice two.
two, and username Usman and password and the second step. And
So over here, the password is 4 digit, so which is four zeros. So we have to confirm our passwords. So now we are going to enter the wrong password. So a message will pop up that the password is wrong, and we have to re-enter our password.
now we
So now we entered 1 2 3 4,
four
so which is wrong actually. Now we get the message password do not match.
match.
So now we are going to enter the previous password, which is four zeros,
Zero.
and then re-enter the password again, which is four zeros. Now we go to the next step, enter your email. Next, we put our contact info.
1 2 3 4.
So now it says the librarian Osman registered successfully.
And we need if you need like you need to like say you need to like Now save your name. We will go here in user text and we find your like save your name in user text. Now we need to write here Usman 000, and we have here uh, seven six option.
Seven options.
Seven option. First, add a new book, and two, second, delete the book. Third, register new member or librarian. Show book, show files of user, show history of user, and seven, exit. Now we need to explain the first option, login.
Okay, so now as the librarian has already registered himself, so now we are going to log in. So we choose the option number one, and then we enter the username Osman again. So
If we need like
now we enter the librarian menu all over again. So now we are going to register a member. So the member option is number
sorry,
two.
before that, like you forget something. The login we have like if password is not like correct, we like
Oh, okay, yeah.
we have three times.
So if
Exit.
okay now okay, so again we log in. So now we are gonna enter the username Osman all over again. One. Now I'm gonna enter a wrong password. So over here it says incorrect password attempt three times. Then we'll get to reset our password all over again.
Yeah.
So now I enter 1 2 3 4 again.
Again.
So now I entered the attempt number two, and now I have third attempt only. 1 2 3 4. So now too many attempts fails. Please set a new password. So I need to set a new password right now. So I set previous password.
Any password.
Any password. Okay. So now I put 0909.
Nine.
Okay. Then I enter the password all over again. 0909. Okay, so now I
Password is update successfully. Release. Log in again.
okay. So now I again log in. So now we check
If
whether the user is updated or not. See, it's updated. So this is the extra function that we have inputted.
yeah.
Okay, now I enter as a librarian all over again. So I entered one and then Osman. And then 0909. Now I have entered as a librarian. Now I'm going to register as a member.
Member.
Okay.
Now we need to like register new member or librarian.
Okay.
Siri. Any you have any name?
Khabib.
Khabib.
K-H-A-B-A-B.
K
H
H
A
A
B A B
P
I.
I. Khabib.
Okay.
Okay. Password 46456.
Okay.
Interconnect. Can we empty this? How can skip this?
We can skip this enter contact info.
Uh,
So now we are going to assign whether it's a librarian or a member. Now we're going to assign this as a member.
Interment. Also we can skip.
Also, we can skip this too. So now the member Khabib has been registered successfully. Now we can log in as a member too.
You can see here. Also it.
And now the Kabir, the member has been updated.
Updated.
As you can see over here, Kabir 456 as the password and
Member.
assigned as a member.
Now we can log in, exit.
Now we enter 7 to exit. And after exiting, it says a good note, exiting menu, goodbye, as a comment.
Now we need to log in member. When? Okay.
See the value from the user text. It's capital letter. Okay, now we enter as member in the login. Let me write.
Okay.
Copy password
5456.
So now we enter the member menu. It has 6. Search for books, view borrowing history, check fines, borrow or return a book, leave a review, and exit. Okay.
Also Khabib can like if like can update his password. If forget Khabib his password can update. We have
If Khabib forgets his password, then he can
Update.
re-enter after making 3 mistakes. Right?
Yeah, silly mistakes.
Yeah. If he enter his password 3 times wrong, then
Like this with
he can update his password.
when yeah correct.
Yeah. Now we entered the password wrong.
Wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. So now we have 3 attempts. One
It is
attempt is
also
gone.
it is also same. If we write like password correct here like 4 4 5 6 we can go to member menu. If he like remember
Oh, if he remembers his
So
password
password-
after making one incorrect password, then also we can enter the member menu.
yeah
Okay. So now
now we can like 6 you need like add book.
So we are logging in as a librarian all over again to add books, delete a book, check for fines, and other options.
Yeah.
So we
First,
have 7 options: add a new book, delete a book, register a new member, which is already done. We have showed. Then we have show book reviews, show fines of users, show history of user, and then we have exit.
Yeah.
So now we are going to add a new book.
When
So we choose the option 1, enter book ID. So what is the book ID? We have, we enter a book ID. We add a book now.
like
For example, we
for
have,
example my number 0 1 2 3 wait 0 9 1 2 3
so this is the, we have entered a book ID.
and
And
book
we
title.
enter a book title. So what do we enter? Happy Life. Why? So this is the book title that we have entered. Enter the book
And we also
author.
we have author.
So we enter the author name Kudus, and then book genre,
Like
slice of life, and then how many copies. So we put 9,
and 9
and then
book Happy Life
added to the catalog.
catalog.
So now we can
can-
see that whether this book added or not. So over here we can see this book has been updated to the text file. Okay. Now
If we need like delete a book 2.
So now
Two-
we are going to
two
option
option.
2. So delete a book. So how are you going to delete a book? So we
If
choose
we need
option
like
2.
Book ID
From
like-
the book text, we have a lot of books. So in order to delete a book, we put any of the book ID.
we need to like
For
remove
example, the
first one.
Which one? First or second?
First.
Okay, so we entered the first book.
Book ID.
Book ID, which is 2324.
2324. Book
Okay.
ID deleted
So
from
this book ID has been deleted from the catalog. Now we're going to see whether it's updated or not.
No.
So now we can see that that book doesn't exist anymore. It has been deleted.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we go to option 4. As 3 we have already mentioned.
We have also now we can go to member menu to see how member can borrow or return book.
Yes.
7.
Okay. Now we enter as a member again. Okay, Khabib. Number 1. Password. So this is the member menu. So now we have 6 options. So now number 1, search for books. So we are going to search for books. Earlier we have already entered a book, which was Happy Life. Where is that book? Okay. So this is the book. So now we enter the choice number 1. Okay. So we got 3 options in order to search for the book. One is title, one is author, one is genre, and one is book ID. So now in order to choose, we choose one. The title, if you want. Okay.
If you know the book, you know the title, or you know the author.
If the person forgets the book title, then he can enter book author, then he get the book. If he forgot the author, also the title, he can put the genre. Also, if he forgot the 3 of them, then he can add the book ID. Okay. So now we are going to put the book title, which was Happy Life.
Happy Life.
Okay. So now we get the book with a comment at the end, title Happy Life, and other information, author names Kudus, genre Slice of Life, book ID 09123. How many copies available? It's 9, as it's mentioned.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can again the second we have here message. What would you like to do next, or search again or return to menu?
Okay.
Main menu. If we need to, we return.
Okay. Now
we can now we can leave review. Okay. If we need leave review.
For example, we give review to the book that we have already registered.
Which book did you like?
Okay, which book did we like? So we go to the books text file and we select one book. Which one do you want? Happy Life?
Happy Life.
Okay. So we enter the name of the book, which is Happy Life. And then enter our name.
Enter your name. Kabi.
Okay. Khabib.
Khabib.
And then we are going to rate the book from a scale of 1 to 5. So we put 5. And then comment. Okay. I put excellent.
Excellent.
Okay. So thanks for your comment.
If you now we need to start and leave review. 5. Which book ID? You must put book ID, not title or anything.
Okay.
In this leave review.
Over here you need to mention which book ID did you like, not the book name.
Yeah.
So now we are gonna enter the ID. So which ID are you going to enter?
We need to Happy Life 0.
Okay. So it is 09123.
1, 2, 3.
So enter your name.
Put
So Khabib. Rate 1 to 5. I'm gonna put 5. Comment excellent. Okay. Thanks for your comment. Now
we need when I need exit again.
So now we put exit and then search for this book whether it
if
has this review or not.
yeah
Enter the choice.
GG one GG 8. Now we need search the book. Well, if you need like search in answer and general, like we can choose search cookies. We need search for answer.
So we're gonna search for the author.
Okay.
So now we put number 2
Two.
and then enter the name of the author. Kudus. It's Kudus.
K
U
U
double D
double D
U S.
U S.
Okay. So now we have the necessary information about the book, which we inputted the rate, which was 5, and the comment, excellent. Okay. So now we got the next option, search again or return to main menu. So now you're going to return to the main menu. Okay. Next we have view borrowing history. Check fines. So
we need like option 4.
So we are going to the
To
option
option
4
4
to borrow or return a book. So now
Yeah.
you're going to choose option 4 to borrow the book. Okay, member username.
Yeah.
Khabib. And then,
We need borrow.
okay, we need borrow 1. Okay. So 2 to borrow. Wait.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we need to borrow the book.
So now we
Can
borrow the
see?
book.
Can you show me how can borrow the book?
Number 4, enter the username Khabib.
Khabib.
And then
Borrow.
book ID
D
09123.
3. After that, we need like borrow the book.
So we're going to borrow the book, so we chose the option 2.
Yeah, 2.
Now,
Now
the due
book.
date is 22
22.
November 2024.
Now we need like change the date.
Now you go to change the
The
date. You change the date.
Like here we need like 10. Okay. And here like also no problem 22. We need here 10. Now I change the date. Now we need to see can show me how return.
Okay. Now you show return.
No 20 here library and 20.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
We need like return.
okay. Now 4 again.
For user
Username Khabib.
Khabib.
And then
Return
0,
109
1, 2, 3. Then number 1.
Now
Book returned on time.
now we need to return the book.
Okay, number 4. Username Khabib. Then ID 09123.
1
Number 1 for return the book.
book. It
So
is
now
it is book is returned and Khabib have like 85
$85 as he submitted this late.
Yeah.
So now you're going to
Now can see me check fines.
So
3.
now you're going to use 3 to in order to check fines.
Oh,
So
no.
it's outstanding fines for Khabib is fine $85. So now we go to
No.
where?
Fines. You
Okay.
can check here from here.
Okay.
It is updated.
So it is updated now. Khabib is 85 fines. I mean $85.
Yeah.
Okay, now
Now
we are done with the fines checking.
And leave. Now also we have like other option in Librarian 6. No can go to
So you're exit.
Librarian.
Okay, now you're registered. I mean log in as a librarian. So-
1.
Okay, 1.
No, before that. Remove this. Yeah.
1. Then which one?
Osman.
Osman. What was the okay?
No problem. Can choose anyone here from here.
Osman, then
Yeah. Password.
0909.
Yeah, correct. Now we need like
Now show
show. We can show book reviews. Also, we can show
finds
files
of
of
users.
users. We can show history of user. Can show me first one. For show book of user. Like enter book ID. If we need like reviews. Okay. We have what? 2, 3, 2, 4. Can show me 2, 3, 2, 4.
Okay. 2324.
Now we have many reviews here.
So we got for book ID we got 2 reviews. So
From GG user also it is like, but we have like different comment here.
Yeah, different comment. So this is the
show
book reviews. Okay, this is
Okay.
from library and part.
Can show me Khabib 5
Okay, number 5, which is finds of users. Enter username
Khabib.
Khabib.
Khabib, we have here
$85 as we have already seen in the previous part.
Yeah.
So Khabib is now $85.
Yes.
Fine.
Can show me history of user.
Which is number 6. Username
Name Khabib.
Khabib.
Khabib here like pouring book in like 10/8.
So Khabib borrowed the book. Borrowing date is 8 October 2024.
Yeah.
Due date was 22 October 2024.
And
then his returning date was 8 November 2024, which is today.
Yes.
So this was Khabib's user history.
Yeah, this is all the option in this all work we do it
Together.
Yeah.
This was from librarian part, as the member part was already mentioned. So this is the entirety of the library management system.
Yes.
So this is it.
Thank you.
Thank you for
listening.
Thank you
for
listening.
attention. And,
Okay.
yeah. Okay.
Okay.